Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a story called The Dog and the Child.
Okay, it happened that a dog had got a piece of meat and was carrying it home in his mouth to eat it paste. Now on his way home he had to cross a plank lying across Rooney Broad. As he crossed it, he looked down and saw his own shadow reflected in the water beneath.
Thinking it was another dog with another piece of meat, he made up his mind to have that also. So he made a snap at the child in the water, but as he opened his mouth, the piece of meat fell out, dropped into the water, and was never seen again. So, what is the moral? The moral is, beware lest you lose the substance by grasping the shadow. What does this story teach us? This story teaches us not to be greedy, because you can lose what you already have. So, thank you so much.